Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 6 minus 4 times 6 minus 4. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, the parenthesis has higher priority than other operations. So first we do this parenthesis, then this multiplication, we have here multiplication, and finally this subtraction. So 6 minus 4 gives us 2. So we can write 6 minus 4 times 2. Okay. Now 4 times 2, which equals 8. 6 minus 8. And this is equal to negative 2. So our final answer to this problem is just negative 2.